All right. Kia is shaking things up again with the all-new 2025 Kia K4. I'm in Austin, Texas this week to spend some quality one-on-one time with this compact sedan. The K4 is taking the baton from the Forte, but it's larger, wider, and more stylish than its predecessor. Kia didn't just replace the Forte, they reimagined what entry-level sedans can offer. But here's the big question. Does it have what it takes to outshine competitors like the Honda Civic and Toyota Corolla? Even with its impressive design and innovative features, the K4 has a lot to prove in a crowded segment, so stick around as we dive into the standout tech, key advantages over its rivals, engine and performance, as well as potential negatives or the challenges it faces in a very competitive marketplace. Let's kick things off with 3 standout tech features of this all-new K4. Beginning with this massive 30-inch display screen. The K4 boasts a cutting-edge digital cockpit that integrates the driver's gauge cluster and infotainment system in a nearly 30-inch display. It is sleek, it is futuristic, and sets a new standard for compact sedans, offering a premium feel that rivals cars in higher price brackets. Here's another one, the Hey Kia voice interface. Say goodbye to clunky controls. The improved voice interface allows you to adjust climate settings, navigation, and audio with just a quick Hey Kia. It's intuitive, keeping your hands on the wheel and your focus on the road. And third, over-the-air updates. Kia's new connected car navigation cockpit system features over-the-air updates, ensuring your software stays fresh and responsive without needing a trip to the dealership. This is a rare feature in this price range, giving the K4 a high-tech edge over its competition. Let's move on to engine and performance. This vehicle has 2 engine options for you. You can choose between the efficient 2-liter engine, which is 147 horsepower for everyday commutes, or the more powerful 1.6-liter turbocharged engine, 190 horsepower, 195 pound-feet of torque for a sportier edge. With these options, the K4 meets the needs of a wide range of drivers, maybe you. You've got some smooth transmission choices. The standard CVT offers a seamless driving experience, while the 8-speed automatic on the turbocharge delivers responsive shifts for a more engaging ride. This flexibility, I think, in performance sets this K4 apart from the segment. And third, fuel economy that you can rely on. Expect an estimated 30 miles per gallon city, 41 on the highway with the base engine, or opt for the turbo engine's respectable 2735 for more power. For a compact sedan, these figures are competitive and wallet-friendly. And now, 3 advantages the K4 has over its competition. Number 1, class-leading rear seat space. With 38 inches of legroom, the K4 offers more space in the back than the Honda Civic and Corolla or Nissan Sentra. That extra space means a lot to growing families. Next, you have standard wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Unlike some rivals that still rely on cables, the K4 provides wireless connectivity for your favorite apps across all trim levels. This convenience isn't just practical, it's also a sign of Kia keeping up with the demands of tech-savvy drivers. And third, a premium cabin design. The K4 delivers a more upscale interior than most competitors, with stylish 2-tone seating options and a clean, modern dashboard that oozes sophistication. From the materials to the layout, it's clear that Kia focused on creating a high-quality experience, and I think they nailed it. Although it looks like a hatchback, the K4 offers a conventional trunk, 14.6 cubic feet of cargo space. That's more than the Corolla and Sentra, but is slightly smaller than the Honda Civic sedan's 14.8 cubic feet, which may or may not be a deciding factor for buyers who prioritize cargo capacity. To be fair, here are some challenges or negatives that the K4 faces. Number 1, the lack of a manual transmission. Unlike some competitors like the Honda Civic, this does not offer a manual transmission, which might disappoint driving enthusiasts who are looking for a more engaging experience. Number 2, no hybrids or electrified powertrains, at least not yet. In an era where hybrid and electric options are becoming more common in compact vehicles, the K4 sticks with traditional internal combustion engines. This could make it less appealing to eco-conscious buyers or those looking for better fuel economy. There could be an argument made on its over-reliance on digital controls. While the nearly 30-inch display is impressive, yes, The shift towards digital controls and minimal physical buttons may be less user-friendly for some drivers who prefer traditional interfaces for convenience and ease of use. Back under the hood now, the engine options do lack top-end power. While the 1.6-liter turbocharged engine provides decent performance, it does fall short on the power offered by the Mazda 3's 250 horsepower turbocharged option, leaving performance enthusiasts maybe wanting more. And lastly, strong competition in the segment. The compact sedan market is highly competitive, with models like I've mentioned earlier, the Honda Civic, Toyota Corolla, Mazda 3, offering a strong mix of reliability, performance, and features. The K4 must prove it can stand out against these well-established rivals. Now, these challenges may not be deal breakers for all buyers, but they highlight areas where the K4 could face criticism or struggle to stand out in a crowded segment. In the end, the all-new 2025 Kia K4 has raised the bar for compact sedans in the area of technology, interior space, performance, and especially price, starting under $22,000. That's my take, my 2 cents. What do you think? Maybe schedule a test drive for yourself and find out. To do so, visit quotes.everymandriver.com, schedule a test drive, and get a price quote in your area from a qualified dealership. If you don't find what you're looking for in your area, expand that zip code. Be willing to travel a little bit outside your area. You could save a few hundred, possibly a few $1,000s on a new car or truck of your choice. That's quotes.everymandriver.com. There's also a direct link below this video. Until next time, I'm Dave here in Austin, Texas. Thanks for watching. Thank you, Kia. We'll see you next time. Adios. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated with the latest insights from the automotive world. Hope to see you next time.
Thanks for watching. Please click subscribe and give us a thumbs up. See you next time.